Hello, my name is Naila Amber. I'm from Vatican High School. Firstly, I would like to thank Almighty for all the things He has blessed upon me, and then I would like to thank my parents for all the things they have given to me, and I would like to thank the management, principal sir, and all the teachers for their care and all the things they have given to me. And
So what is your percentage?
I scored 97.92% this year. That's 612 marks out of 625. And in English I got 121, and Kannada, English and social I got 100, and in maths I got 97, and in science I got 94.
कामयाबी मिलने की क्या वजह क्या रही, किसका ज़्यादा सपोर्ट रहा आपके लिए?
I would say it's my parents and the teachers.
क्या करते हैं आपके फादर, क्या काम करते हैं?
I don't have my father.
मदर ही आपके लिए पूरे से क्या करते हैं आपके?
My mom is a physiotherapist.
Good.
My name is Shazia. I have scored 94.4% with gaining 590 marks. It's all because of most probably God's will, and He has showered our blessings upon all of us, and all of us has passed through shining colors because of our teacher support. To be honest, they have worked really hard for our success, working day and night without even hesitating. We have all 24 hours doubt support. They give personal attention to us, and our parents have made possible paying our fees and personal health, everything. It's all because of them. Thank you.
Thank you.
I've really not decided anything, but I have a dream to become someone whom I need no introduction.
Very good. Come. So what will be your future?
After 10 years, you might see me as a psychiatrist. I'll be a successful person with a high-paying job. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, come.
My next plan is to become a successful engineer. I hope so. I'll be successful in helping
What's
people.
your name and what is your percentage you have chosen?
Okay, my name is Zoha Fatima. My percentage is 96.32. It's mainly because of God's blessing, and thank you to my parents, my teachers, your principal sir, Mamta ma'am, Anita ma'am, Nasima ma'am. Thank you so much. Then it's because I want to become an engineer, and I hope I'll help people in future.
My name is Aidam Said. I've secured 95.04%. All by will of God. I'd like to thank my parents, teachers and the management. Without their help, I wouldn't have been here. In future, I will be a successful doctor.
So you want to be a doctor?
Yeah.
Best of luck. Thank you, doctors.
Myself Zaid Pasha, and I scored 96.8% in final exams. After 10 years, I'll be a software engineer, skilled software engineer. That's my plan. Software engineer.
What is your father doing?
He's a psychiatrist, pharmacist. He runs a pharmacist.
So subject-wise, what is your results?
I scored
overall percentage.
Overall 96.8 I scored, and overall marks 605. I scored subject-wise in English I scored 122, Kannada 95, Hindi 98, Maths 98, Science 95, and Social 98.
Myself Harshvardhan, and I scored 96%, studying in Vatican High School, and I scored in English 122, and in Kannada 99, in Hindi 99, Math 99, Science 82, and Social 99, and I'm an aspirant of becoming an aeronautical engineer.
Good.
I have scored 95.2%. My overall marks were 595. I had scored 123 in English, 98 in social, 94 in math, 88 in science, 97 in Hindi and 94 in Kannada.
What will be your future plan?
I want to become automobile engineer.
Name is Muhammad Rihan. I'm a student of this institution. I scored 96.64% in my 10th SSLC, and the overall score was 604, and I scored 120 marks in English. Then I scored 99 in maths, then 99 in social, then 89 in science, then 100 in Kannada, and then 97 in Hindi.
So how is support from teachers and management?
It was really very good, and I think that's a very important reason for us to get such high marks.
And I have scored 95.04%. My total score is 594. I scored 116 in English, 99 in Kannada, 100 centum in Hindi, 99 in maths, and 88 in science, and 94 in social science.
So what will be your next?
Software engineer. I would like to become a software.
Good. Yes.
Good afternoon. My name is Hamad Beg. I scored 604 in my 10th, which is 96.64%. I got 120 in English, 91 in Kannada, 99 in Hindi, 99 in math, 98 in social, and 97 in science. I would like to become CA.
Thank you.
Roshan, I am studying in Vatican High School. I secured from starting. Myself, Mohammad Roshan. I studied in this institution. I secured 95.84%, which is 599. All the marks.
So what will be your next step?
Next step, SMBA Commerce. Then I will take degree, and IPS I will write UPSC examinations.
Thank you.
Myself, Muhammad Mubashir. I scored 96.32% in SSLC examination. My overall score was 602 out of 625. In English, I scored 119. In science, 88. In Kannada, 99. In Hindi, 99. In social, 97. And centum in maths. The school was a strong foundation for my success. I would really thank the school, and my future planning is to become a robonautical engineer. So I would like to take PCME in PUC.
Thank you. Good. Started.
I'm Amir Mave. I'm studying in Manahil English High School. I'm proud of myself because I have scored 82.88% in my SSLC board exams. I would like to give this credit to my teachers who have done very hard efforts so that we can face these board exams and clear these board exams with good results.
So what will be your next plan?
I would like to take up science, and my dream is to become a hacker.
Yes.
Hi, my name is Kesad Ashfaq. I have studied Manahil English High School, and I am proud to get 80.48%. My goal is to take science PCME to become aeronautical engineer, and I am very happy because my teachers have supported to me and the management. All this credit go to respected principal, ma'am, chairman sir, and all the teachers and friends who have helped me. Thank you.
Good.
My name is Muhammad Awaz. I am from Manahil English High School. I have scored 83.20% in my SLC exam, and I would like to give this credit to our teachers and my parents for supporting me. And I am interested in taking the science schemes, and my dream is to become the electrical engineer.
My name is Saida Suhan from Manahil English High School. I started my journey from second standard and now ended up with 83%. Now I am taking science to become cardiologist. I would like to thank my management, my teachers and my parents who have supported me in every need. Okay. My name is Faiza Amreen. I am a student of Manahil English High School. I started my journey from 3rd standard and now I have completed my SSLC examination by scoring 80% in my examination. I would like to thank my parents, my teachers and the management for supporting me and for preparing me to compete in this examination. I want to take commerce and to do CA. My name is Khushbu and I am studying in Manahil English High School from 7th standard, and I have got 77%, and I am thankful to my teachers and my staff and my principal sir and madam. I want to become IPS officer. My name is Umair Farda from Manahil English High School. I started my journey from kindergarten and ended up with SSLC examination by scoring 74%. I am thankful to my teachers and management who always supported me. I want to take PCMB for becoming pilot. My name is Tamkin Sinera. I am from Manahil English High School. I started my journey from kindergarten and ended up with SSLC exam, and I have scored 73%. I'm taking science and I want to become doctor, and I'm so thankful for management, teachers and my parents for supporting me.